So what's the process of creating sunglasses? For us here at Brave Vision, it's a 9-month process, and no, we don't use Alibaba or any other major white label supplier. We don't stick our logo on our design that's already made. We design from the ground up. So it's a challenge, yes, but I think that what makes us different and stand out from the crowd. If you haven't seen it yet, go have a look at our video about acetate sunglasses and how they are made. About our steps, so first of all, we get inspired. We go on the drawing board and we send 2D drawings to our manufacturer in Japan for design approval and make sure that we're not too crazy and confirm certain aspects. So there's many back and forths before the final design. Then they send us a production sample. It takes about like 2-3 months. Then we send our adjustments. So in the meantime, we choose all the material, acetate color from Mazzucchelli, the lens from Zeiss Vision, and the metal from the factory in Japan. So the team over there, the production leader, contacts Mazzucchelli, Zeiss, and confirms our selection and ship all the materials to our Japan factory. So this takes, and depending, it takes about 2 to 3 months of lead time if like we have some custom selection. It always depends on our selection. So the production starts and it takes around 5 months. In the meantime, we design and process our order for packaging from Korea and other regions in Asia. We do receive some samples and do all the same kind of process of back and forths prior to ordering. Once it's all received, we process with the creative content of producing photo, videos. We edit them all and create graphic design as well, logo, etc. So we design the website and make sure everything is well integrated from design to payment process to mobile friendly. And obviously we create social media content and post them. So we create and share to the world, to you guys, our love and passion for sunglasses. So if you haven't already, by all means, go take a look at our limited edition collection. We are unique, and so are you. So be brave.